We've just acquired this very rare Audi A4 3 litre diesel quattro all-wheel drive S-Line. Absolutely beautiful condition. Front park distance control, it's unmarked, diamond cut, alloy wheels, really make the car stand out. It's an expensive upgrade at the time. It's got the rear privacy glass to the back, it's got the rear park distance control, S-Line rear diffuser with twin exhausts. Absolutely stunning. Drives absolutely superb. As you can see, the boot area is in absolutely lovely condition. It's a lovely TDI quattro badge there. It's got the half leather Alcantara trim. No, sorry, it's a half leather cloth trim. We've got electric windows, electric mirrors. This also has the benefit of factory fitted satellite navigation, heated seats, S-Line steering wheel. I'll just start the car up. Sounds absolutely lovely. It's done 98,058 miles. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, radio obviously, and navigation, climate control. That's all really nice and cold. It's very rare being the four-wheel drive. Has cruise control as well, and paddle shift on the gearbox. Automatic headlights. At DJH, we're for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you'd like to call us on 07 503 751 005 for any further information or to book an appointment. Thank you.